Most keyboards are boring black slabs of plastic, but this one looks like it was pulled straight out of a candy shop and a retro typewriter factory. It promises to turn your boring desk into a vibrant statement piece, but is it actually functional for daily work? The Logitech Pop Keys in Heartbreaker Rose is a bold departure from the minimalist tech we usually see. It blends neon corals with crushed raspberry tones to create something that feels incredibly personal and full of energy. The first thing anyone will notice is those typewriter-style mechanical keys. They aren't just for show. They offer a bouncy, tactile experience that makes typing feel almost like a game. The keys are scooped to fit your fingertips, and the clicky feedback is satisfying without being overly obnoxious. But the real standout feature is the row of swappable emoji keys on the side. Using the Logitech software on Windows or macOS, you can literally customize your most used reactions and fire them off with a single tap, which is a dream for anyone who spends their day in group chats or social media. Moving over to the Pop Mouse, it carries that same vibrant aesthetic but adds a layer of stealth with Silent Touch technology. It is whisper quiet, making it perfect for working in a library or a quiet office. It even has its own magic middle button that opens an emoji menu or can be remapped to whatever shortcut you need. To tie the whole look together, the bundle includes a Studio Series desk mat. It is surprisingly practical, featuring a spill-resistant surface that lets you wipe away coffee or water accidents without a panic. The fine weave provides a smooth, effortless glide for the mouse, making the whole setup feel premium and cohesive. While the round keys might take a day or two to get used to if you are coming from a standard laptop keyboard, the sheer personality this set brings to a workspace is unmatched. It is a rare example of hardware that prioritizes fun and self-expression without sacrificing the build quality Logitech is known for. If you want a desk that reflects your energy and keeps you smiling through a long workday, this setup is a total game changer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.